Ataoni anda ya lebra ma kone etetere anda ya nehi atenehi o ekora ma kone pataki na kohiajen Mario ometere udomi Maeko ne vovo kare baba any platform but me then ani bire oni oje oni meven onyara oni onyeza oni me ya ma ho obonyi o ama emare nyuzi demi de bonyenen the head and women ehonye ne don women ye teteren especially ya so voze value ono muri sichire yuvo asonyene so ma ko ni pataki arihini afakwai ka mmemme ba kare non me ba shi ibo jo na tetere agovo orameka so mva favor di makebira because virtually anebira ekaya beni so culture when ya promote enyo meseme ya so arihini opone ma medoka epemi donwe hi afakwai ere onimi kama tsireni na jen every sana tayo odororo ai in virtually anibira platform or on social media today and me kama call elder sai especially in the platform on and I say 12 a day in value etebira on as a people. And most especially Miss Kamako Adai Sadiq, Adai John Sadiq. Come etc. D'autres platform on dans des semitoires. Maybe kunisema kama sinu nana Adai Sadiq me himi because oh yeah it's another passion oh yeah and we korone me sobotinan so do they carrying do kama sevore de ma asan ka mention with him de mi ko hon it's about the video or OJ onire in a platform recently ore ono me exam izizi Ekoyo no bo neme kukoro yetedi mi gozi him. Because Eva go vika emotion no, but o me kamero rei. Imi direct rate 10. Every time dirakene rate globally, but overall cost so ireni na ya meka. Is a me kora hore. Is a me kwete hore. Any value for life, then value for moral, then culture, then tradition. Kanika is an akokove. Make a kenyi morality. Behe. That kanako etedira kikiki. No, any morality pataki grossly. In fact, bani chehonon. Aba se kaneno no. Because you focus on ya kanda. But amaka obere diri ka emoje yoni reavo do nyai do ni morality ha. I mean later do nyai do misono mavo without caution, without thinking. O meko o memiru rei opeo. So Miss Kama kanina na jende mashovini even attention no and I mere comment ozoza. Eya kunye ne divi. Enyo de anenyo ninyo kaka ozoza ozabana carry from angle understanding ozoza. Even on emera I can. It's according to my own understanding and my opinion, but there are basics that we have to pay attention to. And the permiso pete in the Kohiajana. Now, ere omaneya obrokenere hururuvo. Ka oje yana mane man. Seme kovu mane me. Says that to zo tuan toba maneya. Amamis kamaka kai. Those who have to stage no tuane. Ora amupa. Ore dig deep. Anizo ni mahore. There are many factors and are responsible. There are many factors. Mereka zanyi ka on the platform echo. Those are ka memeya. But them are family dysfunctionality is about the biggest factor. And I make some money because one, where there is no unity, nothing good comes from there. Talk more than akarei ujoipa yukata pataki. Eyana kareyani. We were once kids. That by day there are through the process in the development. And these processes are guided. They're not supposed to be left loose. So having dysfunctionality in family is number one factor and affect to the dysfunctionality in family. Erika boyado nye no ronoro ne nyaro hahi. Onoro nye ne obaro siedu mahahi. But in family dysfunctionality, especially when there is no cooperation, where there is polygamy. Ezenya konyi polygamy, polygamous setting, but any family dysfunctionality, any unity. Any oppression within the family, any abusive relationship within the family, then any effective modeling in. Then economic factor is many influences out there. So the make ma kajine ka eronia kani or banyi doganan. Izi yes kayini mahore. Every national tete, yan fereso, ya fereso, ye bani good result. So Miss Kamakao ni adolescents le menyon develop moral sense, We understand that adolescents are receptive to their culture, to the models they see at home, in school, and in mass media. That is, social media agent. These observations influence moral reasoning and moral behavior. When children are younger, Their family, culture, and religion greatly influence their moral decision making. Now, abeya shock unkunya. Oniya culture, oniya culture is made by man. Are this culture acceptable all round? Family culture is all. What culture, what influence as a family, as a parent do you have over your child or your children when you are raising them? Your religion that you claim to believe in, how serious are you in it? How do you think your child will be influenced through your religion practice? Culture no one promotes. What does it say? Is it the one that says it is okay for a child to keep immoral life, lose life, and get boyfriends? I mean, how are you teaching them? Are parents even joining hands together to educate their children on these issues? How open are you? How much time do you make with your child? And influence in social media. Then family influencing, community influencing, environmental, talk about the economic influence. They remove over. That's if you could value, okay, it's on your mania no human way, it's a mania no human way. Come rain, come sunshine, maybe dream meha. And as elders in the society, what are we doing to help these children? Elderly, and they take advantage of the youth's vulnerability. And they take advantage because they are also gullible. They take advantage because they are abusive. That is what can usually netini. Ojanya no. Okay, boyfriend no na main. Eraya ojanya no neven. There are likes of her out there. A lot of them only hear can, but my komuri bana meko. Ofamo twahe initially okomai, but umuri bana meko twahe. Agove ya ye okorana yovede oneva me. Ano koronone. Any family dysfunctionality of me. The women need support. Ane bira onemi vera ve tu. Ana mametenane. Onye na ye niva na data also ne de posi etetere. But these days, it's only here Robica, and me competition of na kwenyo Senegalese or Bani here. And me competition of an annual boyfriend and anya kehetetere, then you're very needy, as a young then you're made to hoover, it's an eheseve as a yaman, but is the moral liar? Or the nani moral, or not moral, don't transfer moral, and Demakanini, it development so the memelia. Ozineva kugede muzi never only immorality tene haonene. Do wani boyfriend, do wani girlfriend, do wani man friend, woman friend, do wani concubines zeze, do wa fete, duroko, spouse, awoyen, oje will do plenty of that. Do multiply annual. Wa kare de neo, wa power puro eneo. Because our children develop and it's a cognitive development. Inozi, vera. Moral development focuses on the emergence, change, and understanding of morality from infancy through adulthood. On the mechanical, morality ononi those ni moral that's what me solution on a man agbodo re ni ma me ho no me bozu novo da pare da nyodo na koka ito na himura ka akava ha kekere da ba ha kokorun odo ma ha oponya then do yasmanika ozakoko veratini knowledge ononye morality develops across a lifetime. Every super, every company that's a thing, that's a short thing on me, then that car, I'll say, Ojana mom, mi video no, or say, Vera Kubuzu. And this moral development on Makani is influenced by an individual's experiences and their behavior when faced with moral issues. Through different periods, physically and cognitive development would have to play its role in their lives. Says the experience to Jononi. Who is in her life? Who are the people she's surrounded with? We're in even from the video, from the content, we're in solid educational background. I've never said any government because any government I didn't emerge from a home and I see golden spoon feed me. No. We all walk through life. Then we made our choices. I made my choice because any vera be chodam kadamo ya suponyam ane birobora damo reveni. Dona vonya mo rozi hinonye donya mi de pai do de rekozi anda te ondore power. Amai ma vera aguve religion one vera ve tu di value and state yete di the consequences is only ya me. They make choices like okay emere sike ha mono rezo za make kama ezi ogovu ona mame to meme ya emare bobo ya. So we made our choices. So who are your children surrounded by? What do you expose them to? What are they exposed to themselves? How are you helping them? We don't give up on our children. Children are a blessing to us. Just as we are blessings to ourselves, to the homes and the community where we belong, then we are also bringing up children. Yes, condemn Mujonona. We are not judging her, but we are saying, do Obama do tizo tuan anizo voto. Abeya kane isirema. Abeya kwete as a community, as a family. They are vovobe, they are PJ. Ezeni even a pojeni, ije na komedivi hu no onoje yononi man. Ye New York ebuje uje yo even, odaka divi hu an ozo man. To the river nebiran. Ezeni ada oronyi eya na heke pataki. Then you say fabi jesi pojeni potuje no maseme agogo money nani. O money nani is very critical. It's on your Niger covenant ya coin social media. It's on your ya covenant ya coin you the hero na ya no. It's on your ya covenant ya konovi enyara onovi family cousins aunties. And I see impression is emani he deve he one dere me kudenya here un de kugoli here un de roka oh avehemeyan. Gradually they now bring them into that world. They influence them. They even recruit them. They make them feel like all is well. Ekwana bujara kwa zeren. Some of them ezeni ozi play transi durekwa onire hiwe or anyi sawo koya anani vanava develop ne handomen. You should know ka isonyare nyimana influence life and negatively. Check it. It's either from your neighbor or from a very close ally of the family or no his family friend. The way you can neither na davara gerujiu. All matters or kiwi was all kiwi. Ever na kiwi can I make can. Abia shei peje. They are sensitive. So no money yereka area gewa over because at some point in their life, especially as young children, the youth of nowadays, they are vulnerable kata or ekaka eye because that is the level, the stage of the development. Their strength to say no is very limited. They are overwhelmed by the happenings of this world. A lot of things are confronting these children. Your neighbor's son, Ojoba Bayana Gragoreo, Onyovona, say drug your way in him. Ada I'm sorry to say this. Ozona ananyone mayere kezenya kara any platform ozona anyone eroro wana ananyone eroro it will be difficult for you to pay attention to raise these children. Anything maheme odakaze wa kwa behewa. You can't show them or give them the attention that is duly required of every child. Mada wana kose onye nana ye yonoru dori oisi dori dedication from Ovani. I'm telling you, we do a better job in raising the kids than that one. And then you're na tatora reso or ne vatora reso that a culture yon. And you not so it's is a error. She share when kaka o and one more tanan. Why are we doing this to our society? In back in the days, it was a culture to say inada nebreka instead kana konye hizeze. Ada in our forefathers they can never na nyonye no no wehi. Agobi jonye no nya eje do sa o service any. And a jono azai bokoroko. Any so much challenges anani in a honey yajinan. And any so much influence anani on a platter of gold in a honey and especially the social media. So families were contained and content back in the days. Right now, agriculture in onoro onyo nera. Ezenya de bira ye onoro enyi enyo ne de nyoti ne hidonya nde ya nizo ne peso. Dan kiza amuzihi. Ya ina na abon. Ijena na avera de yere hen eneye memato and isima kana arenyi poverty. So the only way for them to blend and to feel that they belong is getting into things like this. Ruru here. Matamai around between 70s and the 80s. There was an incident in this family. Vai family on the general kweta hore de ya mi blue film e tani birajono. Vai kavo wa kowa no wa kowa. But eroka there's something there for them. Agobekehi. So from generation to generation there has been poverty. From time to time there has been economic problem. But your child's power to take decision on what influences them solely lie on their infancy upbringing. It doesn't matter whether you're poor or you're rich. Are you teaching your child moral of contentment? Are you teaching your child values? Do you even have time for them? So as they are made part as parents, so that if they misbehave, but I can tell you from where I come from and my background, ever naika umuri yogo yovo demire de vovo jewo enene mama heke ademi ya nre sibutine heavy mayen. So abia teje izu ozanobro keze because you were not may believe in anika ya peze itu no zonaboro ene mesime na poro they go astray ever avade. So abia mi podato resujo nyenonon die chude me ma agwo. And serving help on need on any real or need medical help, physical and social, economical, emotional, because we need education. And they are saying empowerment is a exact. They are saying there is a man. I thought that is season they are correcting. I thought that they read that he there's an amen in it. I thought a Jay-Z jobber. Because yabo men why ye dinin. And then even now so here they have me they can say God meanwhile when they are enriching their own pockets. You don't need a crowd to influence somebody's life. You just need to start with one person. That's your neighbor girl, that's your neighbor boy. That's those kids in your area next to your house who are less privileged, who you see that they sit down gisting every day, not having any productive life. Speak positive things to them. Give them strategies. Teach them what you know that has helped you rather than take advantage of them. Give them 2,000 naira and tell them to meet you somewhere as a man. It is wrong. That's not how to influence life. Community raising. Are we still raising children? I really thank God for this virtually Anebira community. Even and boy, social media. That kayana Mary life. What are we doing with these children, with these vulnerable children? Don't take advantage of them, because we were once kids like them. We have all made mistakes in the past, and if we have to turn back the hand of the clock, we will do better. So there is no such a chance to say you're turning back the hand of the clock. You can only pray to be able to catch up with the future. So let's begin to speak to these children. They need psychological development. They need psychological reformation. They need physical reformation. They need economical reformation. Let them face reality. Talk to them about reality. Speak to them about reality of life. And not all that glitters are gold. Let these children know. Then there is a 50 if an position on moto nelo the youth I kwete then an enviresi and yena if I now promote immoral life of one. Let us promote family values, marriage values. How do you marry? A man that will tell you to strip yourself for him does not love you. He's not going to marry you. Get that straight into your head. He's not going to marry you. He will not even come an inch close to you. So what is the decision power on to say no? Let them stand up and be bold. Let them stand up and be confident in themselves. How do they get confidence in themselves? By empowering them with positivity, power of positivity. Let them see the value in them. It doesn't matter what level of what level of life they are in. Let them know that there is value in them and they are important to themselves first and to the society and the life which is the future of their lives. What are we preaching? Women, do we still have time for our children? I'm challenging you if you're a woman and you're listening to this. We work really hard. And Anebira, especially, women are known to work pretty hard. Wa nino huwa na nesa weva horare doje wi ne hide infame sure gen wa go no record sell me master e ma tamaye mi me bozui afonye ne ozui onya ma ohuru zukoro de as an accountant na neta do se metore da ke me peso wo be tono de mere ye ya me so hu seje ye ya ne Boran, in this time and age, what are you teaching your child? Do you just allow them to take laws into their hands? When you speak, they don't listen to you. What are our men doing? Rise up to this. All matter, show them love, show them care. Dedicate time to them. Let them have a feel that there is guidance in their life. Edenyera ji nwa hono inne or katada zo kakazawa vave, but it's not too late. Somebody can show love and get this girl and her likes restored. Rescue them from the snares, the claws of those other influence. Let us lecture our people about family life. Effective family life. Let us lecture our people. Let's go back to the basics. Let us go back to the basics. Our lives cannot remain like this. We can't afford to lose children to this kind of demonic influence. And also now patronize ani umuri yobagunini. Arihin. It's a common brand. Some of the risky behavior traits on very any youth in another mekawaye how far they can go. I'm going to list just a few of them. I go with time. It's another sexting. Another uses the risky uses of social media today. The use of substance, tobacco smoking. You should expect anything from them. Let us guide them. Let's educate them to start with. Let us hold hands with them and continue to guide them to say, this is a risky behavior. Aguba say show overboard. As a show part of Rokasho too. Alcohol use and binge drinking, getting drenched in drinking. Fighting, street fighting is a sign that they need help. Truancy, school, inadequate physical activity, and then get involved in unhealthy dietary behavior. Yes, that is for another day. That is my area of specialty, and we're going to talk about it. Genetic problems. And then their will to think deep is very weak. I go be genetic problem. How do we support them? Capacity according to their uniqueness. So or Ghana or Bani, it can branch into many areas. But first of all, they are Suvopi community. Aruhini, Adaini, Onyaini, aunties, uncles, brothers, sisters. Do not impress the other person with vain things. Teach them reality of life. Let us try by prayer and active involvement dissolve the likes of that lady that made that video. How are you raising your boy child as an Ebira person? There should be a difference. No more excuses. We need our community to be together. So what kind of leader do we think will be emerging from Ebira? Now, why are we under an oppressed governance in this time, if not because of lack of value in this age and time? Nobody pays attention to what is called honesty anymore. Nobody pays attention to what is called decency anymore. Everybody wants to make indecent money as long as they can impress and oppress their neighbors to be worshipped. And say honor when we don't have value for it. Ekohionya, we were born. Ekohionya, we will all die. And we are taking nothing with us. The impact you make on the person next to you is what will stand for you. Avonini. Ojonye nonon. Arhin isyo. Ere. I need team of responsible elders that will work with her. First of all, find out what are her problems. Who is talking with her? Who is sharing with her? Who are the people she's surrounded with? Ozone chuvu doye dojo konevonora onodoka mogumboyone. So, is this lady ready for help? Will she even accept or agree that she's wrong? I don't want to talk about the voice note or the video that she's done. All those are excuses. Where she is deeper than what she's displaying on the outside. Avonene, God bless you.